moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Winona, Minnesota. And now we'll look at